Okay guys, how you doing today? My name is Sun Lee, and today I'm going to show you guys how to actually format your SD drive, your SSD drive to run and store file both on the Mac and Windows operating system. So first of all, what you need is that uh, well, you obviously need a hard drive. You're going to be able to reformat it, and you need a um, you need a SATA cable hard drive adapter. I'm going to leave the link to it, below so you guys can see it. So basically, it allows me to, you know, uh, plug this adapter inside this SSD so that I can put it into my MacBook so I can reformat. Right. So what you guys gonna do is that you're gonna actually plug it in like this, and you guys can actually format on any SSD drive. It doesn't have to be the SanDisk that I'm having. So alright, so it's in, and we're gonna plug it into the USB port on the Mac. Alright, so just waiting for this to load up. Alright, so it's loaded up as SanDisk, and what I'm gonna be doing is that I'm gonna reformat it. And so before we do anything, we gotta go into go up to search and type in this utility, click enter, and it will open up this utility. And you're gonna go to, make sure you go to view and click on show all devices, right? You don't do that, then it's not going to work properly. It's not going to reformat properly. So what you're going to be doing is that you're going to click on the external hard drive that you're going to be reformatting, and this is the one I'm having, external hard drive. We're going to click on erase, and we're going to click on so we're going to go to down here into ExFAT, and we have MS-DOS FAT. So basically, the major difference between these two is that ExFAT allow you to store file on both Mac and Windows that has more than 4 GB of size, right? 4 GB or more. So we choose ExFAT. Now on the bottom we have something called MS-DOS FAT. And what this format will allow you to do is that it allows you to store a versatile of file from different devices, such as PS3, Xbox 360, game file, Weed, Linux, Windows, Mac. So the downside with the MS-DOS is that you can only store to 4 GB, where the exFAT allows you to store more than 4 GB of a file. So obviously we're going to choose exFAT because my SanDisk has 64 GB, so I want to utilize it to its full extent. So okay, so that's the format, exFAT, and then schema. Make sure you go into GUID partition map, okay, and then title the disk. Okay, title the SanDisk. So title this as SanDisk. Okay, 64B G, because that's, so I can identify the hard drive. If I happen to buy the same hard drive to say SanDisk, I'll be able to tell the difference. All right, so we choose erase. Okay. All right, so they're gonna ask you, do you want to use SanDisk 64 GB to back up with Time Machine? No, you're not going to be doing that. I'm not going to be doing that because I already have I already installed a hard drive in my Mac, so that would be the backup. So you're reformatting this hard drive as a backup so that you can transfer file from Windows to Mac, Mac to Windows. So we're going to choose don't use as a Time Machine. Okay, so now, okay, click done. Right. Okay, so all right, close this. And now we're gonna find a way to test to see. All right. Okay, so we have file that we would like to transfer over. Okay, so let's choose something simple. This is um, this is a sketch file that's only run on Mac, so we're gonna test it out. Copy paste that and put it into SanDisk. Okay, it's gonna transfer over. Okay, so what you're gonna be doing is that you're gonna get a file that's specifically for Windows, and you're gonna take that and you're gonna test it out on this hard drive as well. So right now the hard drive is we can store Mac operating system on this hard drive. So we're gonna test it out, see if it's actually gonna work on Windows as well. All right, so let's find out. All right, guys, how you doing? So basically, we're gonna test out this ScanDisk. This is actually gonna run on the window. Um, we show how to format this SSD drive on the Mac, and it's actually it works. So we're gonna see if it actually gonna works crossover to Windows as well. So okay, so let's find out. All right, guys. So I'm gonna test this out. Okay. I'm gonna put this on window, test on window, see what it's gonna do for me. Let's see, we're gonna plug it in. Okay, so this is okay. So let's see what it say here. It say that SanDisk 64G. Right. So we click open to view file, and alright, so this file right here is, if you guys can read it, it's actually exe. So we can drag it over here. Okay. So it works. So we're gonna actually move this back to the MacBook, and we're gonna test out, see what's going on. Right, so we test out, we know that okay, file from Windows, okay, that has, okay, this is the file from Windows here. We know that it's actually can be stored on the hard drive that we format, so we know it works on Windows and we know it works on Mac. Okay. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we test that ScanDisk, and it actually opens on Windows, and we can transfer file from Windows into the ScanDisk. So we know that it's cross compatible to open on both the Mac and Windows. So if you like the review that I did on that that SSD drive, and if you like these these tutorial, and please like and subscribe for more future video. Thank you.